How to unlike a page on Facebook. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you will be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. Then, search for the page you are looking for and open it from the results. Once you're in the page, tap on the following button as shown. Now, tap on Unfollow at the bottom. You are now no longer following this page on Facebook. You can repeat the same steps to unfollow other pages on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily unlike a page on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.